But what you must do when you buy a van is make sure that the base vehicle is 100%.
Oh, yeah. Hello. How are we doing? I want to look at your van. Right, tell me about this back bit of wood again. That first bit there, that's your bench at the back then.
Yeah, this is where we sit on when we're watching telly, which is over there under the... I'll just take it out if you want me to.
Yeah, go on then.
Firstly, it's a place to put my camouflage jacket because it's a heavy thing.
I see you're an Everton supporter. I'm kidding.
There's my telly.
Alright, so it's properly strapped up onto the wall then?
Oh, it's proper on a...
Yeah, that's good.
On a proper arm.
Even mine isn't like that, I just have it on the table at back.
Yeah, well, this is on an arm, which comes out, and you can tilt the telly. So when we're sat at the back, we can watch telly, and it's also a DVD player at the same time. I just keep this jacket on it.
Yeah, it says dust and all that,
because
doesn't it?
this, believe it or not, has been with me for 50 years. This has seen active service in Northern Ireland as this, and it's too sentimental, I can't get rid. In 1972, and again in 1973, both times in Derry. I was ducking and diving. I tell you that, I was flinching at every noise that was made.
Hey, you've got plenty of fishing gear up there then?
I've got tons of fishing gear. I think I've got 5 rods all in all.
So this is all this is your double bed then?
This is a double bed, but in 3 pieces.
Yeah, I see.
So that when we're sat on that bench, I can leave this up. I've got a table that I'm going to fit here.
Yeah.
So that this bench can come down as well. And 2 adults can sit facing it, or 4 people can sit facing each other, eating from the table that can fold down.
Oh, that's alright.
It's flexible in every single way. It's what I call a day van. Day van.
Bringing leaves in your van.
Camper van.
So you've got everything you need. You've got a sink there.
Sink with running water. I keep that in there because I'm still busy doing stuff. It's running water.
So that's just coming from that underneath then?
That's right.
Oh, that's your drain one, is it?
Underneath I've got my grey water tank, 40 litres, and I've got 2, bring the fridge out, 2 22-litre fresh water tanks.
Right, so that's what you fill up,
And I just move the pump from one to the other as when they're needed.
Because you don't need to use side door, do you, really?
I don't. I don't use the
Microwave
side door. The side door is only for switching gas bottle, taking the toilet out.
So that's the loo. That's good enough. That's all you need. That's what my mate's going to buy, hasn't he?
That's all you need.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
The thing is though, on this site now you're on, you could empty that in that toilet.
Exactly.
So
microwave. Works off the inverter.
Oh, that's good enough, isn't it? I like it.
Here I have put a light on.
Oh, Typhoon tea.
Everything that you can want. Here's where I keep my DVDs.
One of my subscribers sent me some tea, you know.
Spare batteries.
Alright, that's your...
solar power.
Yeah. So what panels have you got then?
Just 100 watt.
Right, that's fair enough. Yeah, that's enough.
It just keeps the 2 leisure batteries, which are under here. 2 leisure batteries and the inverter. It just keeps that all topped up. Wait a sec.
Have you got a diesel heater then?
Yes, I have.
Because I've just noticed.
I have.
Yeah, I noticed that.
If you have a look there, you'll see there's a control panel.
Alright, yeah.
If I put my fishing bag over onto that side, I can lift that up. More storage space and an inverter. That's
really? It just shows, right? Because I know you.
Imagination.
I know you were on holiday, as I've told Anthony.
This is my cooker.
With a mattress on floor, and you're away.
Yeah.
Aren't you? And then everything else.
2 gas rings.
Well, that's it. That's all you need. That's what Anthony's got. Well, I think he's got 2. Unless his partner's. She might have bought him something. I'm not sure. I dare say because if he watches it, it's a spoil it for Christmas.
Yeah. And a diesel heater.
So you've got everything you need. That's it. You're away. I mean, you could live in this if you had to do.
Of course I could. I lived in it for 5 months in Tenerife.
Well, yeah.
And it wasn't even nowhere near as done out as this. I hadn't finished it.
Let me just do the side of your van. It makes a difference with light when you've got windows in them, doesn't it?
Yeah. A lock
Yeah.
through there so that you can't open the side door so easy. You can't force the side door.
Yeah, you've got to cut that off first.
You'll think twice about even messing.
Yeah. Is that what that's for then there?
Yeah. I drilled it through myself.
Oh, I see, right. Yeah.
Extra little safety.
Yeah. I see. So that wouldn't go with that padlock there, would it? Oh, it does all. I didn't know whether you used the side door. It's
Yes,
idea.
well,
That's how you get to your water then, isn't it?
That's how I get to my water. Fridge.
And you can
toilet,
see,
it all comes out through there.
having a van that you're building is a never-ending job.
That's right.
And there's all the evidence.
Well, there's the proof.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
There's
it.
another little inverter that I've got there,
All right, yeah.
which I just use for 12-volt DC. I've got 2 lights under there for when it's darker.
That's good
I
enough.
can see what I'm doing when I'm cooking.
Yeah.
And
I like that.
it's been good fun.
So it's a high top, long wheelbase.
The problem with this van
Yeah.
is, and what you must do when you're going to build a van is plan it first.
Well, that's right. Yeah.
Plan it first. I just did this ad hoc.
Yeah.
This is the 4th time I've built this van now.
I can imagine.
4th version.
Yeah. The thing is with a van build, right? It's a van build till the day you part with it.
That's right.
Innit?
It's never ever.
I thought that, yeah. I mean, I did build one, a little one, a Transit Connect, and then I bought the Contiki, but
there's always bits that you can change and make better, and you don't like this after a while, so you change it. And...
yeah.
But what you must do when you buy a van is make sure that the base vehicle is 100%.
Oh, yeah. No rot underneath, nothing under wheel
at all.
arches.
This I've had now for over a year. I've had it 18 months.
Yeah.
And it just went through its last MOT because they put the MOTs back due to this COVID lark.
Yeah.
So it sailed through its MOT without a single
Well, that's what you want.
problem.
Right, Laurence, I've got to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing us around your van.
No problem.
That's great. And I might add a few pictures of your holidays you've been on in this van, because I have a few.
Yeah, I went to crikey.
Well, exactly.
Tenerife for 5 months. That's where I put all the
I remember you
wiring.
painting it, yeah. Right.
Oh yeah.
Your trip to France?
2 trips to France, one for 10 days, one for 8 days.
Did you go there first time with a mattress without building anything?
That's
I thought
right.
you did, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably the picture I've got. I've got some of them.
Yeah. We just did it on the floor. My wife liked it so much.
Yeah.
She says, do you know, I think when we get back we'll buy a proper motorhome.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
says, no, I'd rather have that money in the bank
And build your own.
and build my own.
Yeah. You're a man after my own heart.
Yeah.
Except I had to buy one. My wife twisted my arm a bit more. Right, I must go, Laurence.
I like the security having something like
What a spot, look at that. That's where
decent amount of money in the bank.
well, that's it, yeah, you have to have.
This is the famous Jim Bowen of Bullseye fame.
Yeah.
This is his favourite spot. He used to say how much he loved the Loon Valley.
Oh, yeah.
And
Well,
he
this
always
is
came back to it.
this is where I did my video yesterday.
Yeah.
The only shame of it, I didn't lift it up at the camera. I didn't know the camera wasn't lifted up to show it all in its
It's hard to
glory.
believe that used to be a railway track.
I know, yeah.
It is hard to believe.
And the good thing, a lot of my videos I've done at Bulbeck, which is straight down there.
Yeah.
Follow that cycle track, it'll take you straight to it.
What a cycle path is.
Yeah.
Safe as houses.
So I said to
Even
people
for
walking
kids.
past yesterday, I said, could you imagine living in a city and this bloke, old fella, no! He says, mate, what? He buried his, well, you know, he had a cremated and he put it on a hill over there, so he goes every day, and that's, I was talking to him yesterday. Right, I must go. Laurence, thank you.
Roger, take care.